I go to the pet shelter. I want a new friend. I see many cats and dogs. Then I see a small puppy in a corner. He has big brown eyes and soft white fur. He looks a little scared. I choose him. I bring him home. I name him Snowball. At first, Snowball is very shy. He hides under the sofa. He can't eat his food when I am there. I give him space. Every morning, I feed him. Every afternoon, I brush his fur. I talk to him in a soft voice. One day, he comes out from under the sofa. He brings me his little red ball. He wants to play. Now, we play every day. I throw the ball, and he brings it back. He can eat with me in the room now. At night, I cuddle him, and he sleeps near my bed.